Your boss just said something to you. You froze. You had no idea what to say back.
Sound familiar? Don't worry, we've got you covered.
Hey everyone, we're Liam and Sophie, and today we're solving one of the scariest moments in your career.
Your first day at a new job.
We'll show you exactly what to say, how to say it, and how to sound confident even when you're nervous.
By the end of this video, you'll have simple phrases that actually work in real workplaces.
Let's go.
Hi, you must be Emma. Welcome.
Hi, yes, I'm Emma. It's my first day.
Nice to meet you. I'm David. I'll help you today.
Nice to meet you too, David. Thank you.
No problem. How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. A little nervous, but excited.
That's normal. Don't worry. It's easy here.
I hope so. Where do I start?
First, let's go to your desk. I'll show you.
Okay, great.
Here's your computer. Can you turn it on?
Yes, I can. Like this?
Yes, perfect. Do you have any questions?
Not yet, but maybe later.
Of course. Just ask me or anyone. Everyone is very kind.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let's start with this.
Okay, let's break this down. Notice how David starts.
You must be Emma. This is genius because it's polite but confident.
Instead of awkwardly asking, "Are you Emma?" he already knows. It sounds professional.
Emma immediately says, "It's my first day."
Why? Because it sets expectations. Everyone will be more helpful when they know you're new.
Pro tip, always mention it's your first day. It's your safety card.
Next, listen to this. Nice to meet you too.
That little word, too, is everything. Without it, you sound cold.
Nice to meet you versus nice to meet you too. Hear the difference?
Now David asks, "How are you doing?"
Emma doesn't lie. She says, "A little nervous, but excited."
Being honest makes you relatable. People respect authenticity.
And David responds perfectly. That's normal. Don't worry.
4 words that calm everything down. Use this when helping others too.
Emma asks the smartest question. Where do I start?
This shows initiative. You're not waiting around. You want to work.
David uses first to give her a clear step. First, let's go to your desk.
Notice he doesn't dump everything on her at once. Step by step.
Here's a phrasal verb you need. Turn on.
It means to start a device. Turn on the computer. Turn on the lights.
Emma checks if she's right. Like this?
Always confirm. Better to ask than to break something on day 1.
David says, perfect, and then asks, do you have any questions?
This phrase opens the door. It tells Emma she can ask anything.
Emma says, not yet, but maybe later.
Honest and smart. She's not pretending to know everything.
Final gem. Just ask me or anyone.
This shows the team culture. Everyone's approachable. That's how good workplaces operate.
And that's how you nail your first day.
Remember the key phrases. It's my first day. Where do I start? And like this?
These simple phrases will save you in real situations.
Practice them until they feel natural. The more you say them, the easier they get.
If this helped you, drop a comment and tell us, what's your biggest fear about starting a new job?
We read every comment and we'll make videos based on your questions.
And if you want more practical English lessons like this, hit subscribe.
We post new conversations every week to help you speak English confidently.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.